a little while from now, if I'm not feeling any less sound, I promise myself to treat myself and visit a nearby tower. And climbing to the top, will throw myself up in an effort to make clear to whoever what it's like when you're shattered, left standing in the lurch at a church where people were saying, my God, that's tough. She stood him up. No point in us remaining. We may as well go home, 'cause I did on my own, alone again. Naturally, to think that only yesterday I was cheerful, bright and gay, looking forward to who wouldn't do the role I was about to play. But as if to knock me down, reality came around, and without so much as a mere touch, cut me into little pieces, leaving me to doubt. Talk about God in His mercy, if He really does exist, why did He desert me in my hour of need? I truly am indeed alone again. Naturally, it seems to me that there are more hearts broken in the world that can't be mended, left unattended. What do we do? What do we do? Alone again, naturally. Looking back over the years, whatever else that appears, I remember I cried when my father died, never wishing to hide the tears. And at 65 years old, my mother, God rest her soul, couldn't understand why the only man she had ever loved had been taken, leaving her to start with a heart so badly broken. Despite encouragement from me, no words were ever spoken. When she passed away, I cried and cried all day, alone again. Naturally, alone again. Naturally.
Hi guys! So on the way na kami.
Hindi ako natatanggal. Ayun na siya.
Hindi na. So ayan na yung sasakyan na. Gandang hapon po. Ang ganda rin. Mag-aalasin ko na yung isa namin kasama nag-aantay na dun, baka inuwian na kami. So okay lang yan. Sana talaga may photowism pa. Hindi talaga ako sure kung may photowism pa doon. Pag wala, edi wala tayong magagawa. Hindi kami pinagtagpo ni Julian ngayon. But if meron, edi pinagtagpon kami ng Diyos. We're meant to be. Pero sana meron kasi prepare ako. So first pose, di ba nakaganto siya? Ako nakaganto ako. Ay, nakagano din ako. Second pose, nakaganto siya. Nakaganto din ako. Tapos third pose, nakaganto siya. Ako nakaganto. Tapos fourth pose, nakaganto kami. Yun. Okay, malapit na kami. Malapit na kami, guys. So we're here.
Iba nila bila kaya yun.
Tara na. Uy, nag-ready ako. Yeah.
Iyak na siya kasi walang
Iyak na ako kasi wala tumatanggal sa cola. Si Juyo. Tara na. Hindi, okay na naman walk-in dito, di ba? Go. So we're here. Oh my God. Wait lang. Ang una kong hahanapin ay yung photo wisim. Parang wala. Hala, parang walang photo wisim.
Saan ba yan?
Hindi ko alam. Hala.
As mo kaya?
Hala. Kuya, meron ba po ba ng photo wisim? Photo wisim?
Wala na po yun.
Wala no. Ah.
눈물이 빗물처럼 내려와 내 눈에
Hindi kami pinagtagpo. Wala daw.
달려가주고 싶지만
Wala na daw. Pero mag-enjoy na lang tayo.
멀리 사라질까봐 두려워
Love it. Love it. Perfect. Update, hindi kami nakita ng baby ko.
Nalaglag na.
Para kami sa isa't isa, pero
Hindi ngayon. Hindi ngayong buwan.
Hindi ka rin pinapakasamahan ng lamesa.
kaya nga, ayaw nyo ba sa akin? Ano? It's giving ano tuloy first date namin,
Ay,
tapos
may
ginost
ano.
niya ako.
May message si ano.
May katabi po akong broken hearted. Wala, mag-video lang.
Like individual.
Nalulungkot ako!
Ano masasabi mo, Daisy?
Pinagandaan niya kasi ito. 1:30 pa lang tapos
Kung yung ayos
na
niya,
ako.
fit check.
1:30 tapos na ako.
May padibdib pa yan.
Tapos may dala pa akong damit.
May damit pa siya.
Bag raid.
Meron ako ditong sombrero. Tapos meron ako ditong turtleneck na white. Kasi yung suot ni Joe yun, black turtleneck at saka leather jacket. So para magmukha kaming magjowa,
Wow.
white turtleneck and leather jacket.
Easy Golf Club.
Tapos
Golf Club.
sasabihin nyo sa akin, sir, wala na po yun.
As a broadcasting student na lagi may dalang tripod.
I'm so sorry for me.
At lagi may dalang camera. At pangkape.
Dear, my only one. 두 눈을 감은 채 slow down. 네 생각에 잠긴 깊은 밤. Yeah. 하고 봤던 말 너무 많지만 몇 글자 적어봐. 함께한 추억 in the last time. 줄을 또 나